I bought these to see if they'd work with my cross-stitch frames to keep the sides tight. They work like a dream, and I ordered 3 more so I can color coordinate. I know it doesn't matter, but I like the idea, and I have multiple projects on frames so I can set those up as well. Fixes all those loose cables quick, fast, in a hurry. I use these to keep my music cables under control. Even color-coded to easily see which mic cable is voice and which is percussion. These are great and at an awesome price. They will serve me well on business trips. I always forget how many extension cords we use to power Xmas lights and decorations until we unplug everything. Instead of just throwing everything into a container, this year I decided to be organized. These Velcro ties are a lifesaver. Easy to use. Much better than traditional one-use zip ties. Click link in description for more reviews.